In this lesson, you'll learn different options for comment systems. Natively, whenever you start a new WordPress website, people can comment on your blog post or your page. Under settings and then discussion, you can turn on and off a number of settings related to your commenting, such as authors being required to fill in their name and email address, users must be registered to log in, commenting will be closed in articles after a certain number of days, etc. It's really important to have people submit their name and email address to further prevent spam. Even though we already have Akismet set up and blocking spam, it's just another step that prevents spam. To see any comments, you'll see them on the blog page itself, or you can go to this comments page right here. Right now, I don't have any comments to review. Let me show you what the native commenting system looks like. Here I am on the blog article about easy and cheap garden boxes. And you can see here, it says leave a reply. It requires the email address. You've got a comment box, name, email, website, post a comment. People have the option of getting an email follow-up when comments are made on their posts. So this is a very simple but clean looking box. And it's going to match the design of your theme. So if you have a different theme, it might look a little different. There are other plugins that you can use to sort of spice up your commenting system. And there's no need to do this, but some other features that might be of interest to you. One is within Jetpack. So we've used Jetpack for a number of things, but if you go to Jetpack settings and then engagement, you can see that there is a commenting system. So right now it will probably be turned off. So just go ahead and turn it on for you if it's turned off. You can drop down this little menu and you can write in a new comments headline. And there are a few different options for the appearance, light, dark, and transparent. And then just click Save Settings. You can also get to these settings once you have turned them on back on your discussion settings page under Settings Discussion. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, Jetpack Subscriptions Settings. You can see the different greeting text, the color options, and also to turn on and off the follow blog option or the follow comments. Now let's see what this looks like. Okay, remember this is the original. Now this is with Jetpack. And people can log in with their WordPress, their Twitter, Facebook, or Google Plus accounts to actually leave a comment. If they don't want to actually just put in their email address or website, they can just sign in. So it looks a little bit different. It gives you some different options for how it will look like. Now there's one other plugin that I would recommend. It's called Discuss, and it's actually been used by hundreds of thousands of people, and the reviews don't really give it justice. It does come highly recommended by a number of WordPress websites and WordPress users and creators. Though they haven't updated it for a while, it is still a very good system that's used by a lot of people. And one good thing about Discuss is that people can use all kinds of things to log on and leave a review. And it comes with a really sophisticated way of moderating comments that I find a like. So that's what I use for videoschoolonline.com. And so let me just show you what that looks like. Here's one of my blog articles on my 2016 goals, and you can see that it has these comments. You can see that you can easily start a comment. If you have a Discuss account, you can sign up, and a lot of people nowadays have signed up for Discuss, so they already have a Discuss account. There's an easy option to share your conversation if you want, and just visually, I like how it looks. And you can also upvote and downvote different comments. When you do install Discuss, it will appear under the comments menu. So under all comments, there's Discuss, and you'll have to be taken to the Discuss moderation page. And this is the one thing I don't like about it, is that it's kind of separate. You have to open up a completely new tab to go to the Discuss moderation. That being said, you can moderate comments from the dashboard of your website. Now I'm back on Video School Online's dashboard. So if I scroll down, I can see recent comments and I can approve, unapprove, reply right from here. But if I do want to go to the Discuss moderation page, I can do that as well. You can see here, I have all of my approved, pending, spam, deleted, etc. So I'm just going to show you again what these three options look like. Here's the Discuss option. Here's the Jetpack option, and here is the regular native commenting system within WordPress. Honestly, if I was starting out and if I were you, I would just go with the native comments. It looks really clean. It's pretty easy to use. The only thing is that people can't sign in with their Facebook or their other kind of account for commenting, but I think that's okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other specific questions about commenting or things that you can do with commenting, please let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and start sending out your blog to the world so you can start getting some comments.